This is RAKK TANDOG Membrane Keyboard, a simple keyboard made for everyday computer use, work, school, and casual gaming. Hi, my name is Azlan and welcome to Guide Station. I've been using this keyboard mainly for typing, editing, and general desk work. And in this video, I'll show you the design, the feel of the keys, the lighting, the build quality, and whether this is something worth considering for your setup. So first, this is a wired membrane keyboard with a US ANSI layout. It has a compact size of around 356mm long, 128mm wide, and 35mm high. So it does not take too much space on the desk. The weight is about 405 grams, so it is light and easy to move around. The body is made of ABS plastic, which is normal for its price range. The keycaps are painted laser etched, and the keyboard also has a rainbow lighting, which make the desk setup look cooler, especially when you are working or gaming at night. For connection, it uses a wired PVC cable around 1.4 meters long, so setup is very simple. You just plug it into your computer or laptop and it's ready to use. This is not trying to be a premium mechanical keyboard. It is for someone who wants a simple, affordable, and a good-looking keyboard for daily use. The main thing about this keyboard is it uses a membrane switches. That means the typing feel is softer, quieter compared to a mechanical keyboard. For some people, that's actually a good thing, especially if you work at night or just don't want a keyboard that sounds too loud. The keys feel light enough for regular typing. It is good for basic office work, browsing, school tasks, chatting, and casual gaming. Another thing that I like is the rainbow lighting. It gives the keyboard a nicer look without needing any complicated software. For a budget keyboard, having lighting already makes the setup feel more complete. The keyboard is also wired, which means there's no need to charge batteries and no need to worry about Bluetooth pairing. You just plug it in and use it. Using it is very straightforward. For typing, the keys are responsive enough for everyday use. In real-world use, I think that this keyboard is best for those people who need something simple and reliable. The compact size is also useful because it leaves more space on the desk. So if you have a small table or if you want more mouse space, this keyboard does not feel too bulky. Now the downsides. This keyboard is too basic of a membrane keyboard. So if you are looking for a premium mechanical typing feel, hot swappable switches, or full RGB software control, this is not that kind of keyboard. The body is also plastic, so it does not feel as heavy or premium as more expensive keyboards. But for the price range and purpose, it definitely feels reasonable. So the main thing I like about the RAKK TANDOG membrane keyboard are, first, it is simple and easy to use. Second, it has a rainbow lighting, which makes the setup look cooler and better. Third, it is wired, so no need for battery or Bluetooth connection. Fourth, it has a compact size, so you can just fit it in a normal laptop bag. And lastly, the typing feels soft and quiet enough for daily use. The main thing to keep in mind is that this keyboard is not mainly for those who want premium mechanical keyboard. Overall, the RAKK TANDOG membrane keyboard is best for those who want it simple. So if you are looking for a basic keyboard for your daily use, you might want to check out RAKK TANDOG membrane keyboard. If this video helped you, feel free to leave a like, share, subscribe, and leave your questions at the comment sections down below. See you in the next video.